Welcome to morEwish Cuisine. Ramadan are around the corner and we all need some yummy iftar recipes. So here are some ideas for you. You can make chicken seekh kebab, vegetable puff, chicken puff, potato aloo ki chaat, fried chicken shashlik, crispy potato samosa, beef samosa or chicken samosa and its chart. Then some sandwiches, club sandwiches, chicken tender sandwiches, sweet and sour chicken wings, egg and cheese bites, yum, cutlets, chicken pakoras, egg and cheese roll, spring roll, fruit chart, of course. Why not add a cream in it? Some baked chicken florets, some baked potatoes. If you want all these recipes, please don't forget to visit my Facebook page or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and recipes.